morning, students. I am Nidhi Pakalwadi, your science teacher, Sankalp Learning Solutions. In the last session, we learned regarding two crosses, that is monohybrid cross and the dihybrid cross. Monohybrid cross, where we are going to consider single character, dihybrid, where we are going to consider two characters. By performing certain experiments, Sir Gregor Mendel designed three laws based on his experiment. So what are these three laws? As we can see the previous question paper, some questions have been asked regarding these laws. That's why I am explaining these laws for you. So based on his experiment, he designed three laws. The first law is law of dominance. The second is law of segregation. The third one is law of independent assortment. So let us see one by one. The first one, as it is law of dominance, here the recessive traits. We know that what do you mean by recessive traits? Recessive traits are nothing but the alleles which are not able to express themselves in presence of the dominant allele. Dominant allele means which is supreme, which will not allow other allele to express itself. Okay, so that only he mentioned in his law, that is recessive traits, that is recessive characters are always dominated, are always ruled or masked by dominant trait or dominant character. So for example, if we consider a height of a plant, in the height of a plant, tallness is a dominant character and dwarfness is a recessive character. This is recessive, this is dominant. Okay. So here, if a plant's genotype is TT, heterozygous tall. So here what happens, even though the dwarf allele is present, its expression is masked, is what we can say, dominated or is overruled by this tall character. So this dominant allele will not allow it to express its character. So this is called as law of dominance. Okay. Next we have law of segregation. Every organism possesses two alleles and only one allele is passed on to the offspring. Suppose in the monohybrid cross, if you consider the self-pollination or selfing of F1 individual, that is during gamete formation we can see TT crossed with TT. So we will get T, we will get T and we will get T, and here also we will get T. Okay, the fusion of these gametes gives us a what we can say, the F2 generation. So here what happens, every organism possesses two alleles for a gene, and only one allele is passed on to offspring. So from this to this, one allele from this individual, from this plant, one allele from this plant. Here these both alleles are not together mixing with this. This is wrong. Here, one allele from the male plant, the other allele from the female plant are fusing. So, only one allele, segregation, separation, every organism possesses two alleles. So, during the fertilization, they will fuse separately, segregately. They will not intermix and then they will fuse. Okay, so here this is called as law of segregation. This is called law of segregation. Then the next one is law of independent assortment. What is this law of independent assortment? So here the inheritance of one pair of gene is independent of inheritance of another pair of gene. So here when we consider the dihybrid cross, so TTRR, pure tall crossed with pure dwarf. So we will get the F1 individual as tall with rounded seeds, but it is heterozygous in condition. So again when we do this selfing, again we will get many types of offsprings. So here what happens, it is not that due to the tall plant we got the round seeds, or due to the dwarf character we got the round seeds, or the wrinkle seeds are not there. It is not like that. So here each gene will express differently, independently. So the genes of different characteristics, this is regarding the height of a plant, okay, this is related to the shape of a seed, okay, shape of seed. So these characters or the alleles of these genes are not dependent on one another. They will express themselves independently. These will not intermix. If it is tall, the seed should be round. If it is short, the seed should be wrinkled. No, no such things. So only based on their characters only, based on their alleles only, they will express themselves separately, independently. This is called as law of independent assortment. So these are the three laws which are formulated by Gregor Mendel based on his experiments. In the upcoming session, we are going to learn regarding sex determination in human beings. For that also we need to know the alleles, and in the upcoming concept we are going to learn regarding certain concepts on the evolution. So in heredity we learned the introduction, the inherited traits, and then we learned regarding the important terms like alleles, dominant allele, recessive allele, phenotype, genotype and all. Then also we learned regarding monohybrid and dihybrid cross. At last we learned regarding the laws of inheritance formulated by Sir Gregor Mendel. So all these three laws are considered as laws of inheritance, Mendel's laws of inheritance. So let us meet in the upcoming session to study the concept of sex determination in human beings. Until that, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.